Hello, in this video I will show you how to adjust the parking brake on Opel Corsa C. When you pull the handbrake and the car continues to roll, that means you need to adjust the parking brake so that it can get tighter. In my case it needs to be tightened because in order to hold the car still it needs to go on the 6th or 7th tooth, and it's usually on the 3rd or 4th tooth that it has to hold the car. So in order to adjust the handbrake, we need to remove this leather cover. Underneath this leather cover there is a bolt size 10 that we need to turn clockwise if we want to tighten it, and anti-clockwise if we want to untighten it. That's the bolt right there. I haven't removed the leather cover all the way, so there is not much space to tighten the nut, but I'll get it eventually. When you start tightening it, tighten it like 5-6 turns, and check if the car is rolling when you pull the handbrake. If it needs more, tighten it a little bit more. If it doesn't, you're done. Thank you for watching.